Hello everyone, thanks for your attention for us. Some customer told us they cannot cut Mazda emergency keys well in automatic key machine. Firstly, let's show you the key. See picture key drawing, see the green part. The first depth is 800, 2 depth is 760, 3 depth is 720, 4 depth is 680 and 5 depth is 640. We can find the depth difference is 40 only. Most of the key depth difference is between 70 to 80 and with 4 depths. However, for this Mazda keys, it has 5 depths, and depths difference is only 40. What's more, the key is with 10 spaces. If we cannot fix the key correctly, it will make the decoding and cutting incorrect. Look at the key blade. If we fix it inside D, we can see the tip is offset. As there is a groove near the head, we can find the groove is irregular. What's more, the key is shoulder alignment. That means, we have to fix the key in a pointed position. It cannot be adjustable like tip alignment keys. The key cannot be fixed well because it's special shape, so we improve it by using an assistant clamp. Put the assistant clamp inside D. And then we fix the original key. Use stopper to fix the key in shoulder alignment. Make sure the key fixed well. Then we can start to cut it. Okay, we will show how to cut Mazda keys now. Firstly, make sure we calibrate machine correctly, and clean the shavings on the jaw decoder cutter. Search the Mazda key in vehicle list, you will find 2 data. Look at the first data, it's 10 spaces with shoulder alignment. It needs assistant clamp for this key. Then look at the second database, it's 8 spaces with tip alignment. As a reminding, we changed the shoulder alignment to tip alignment in this database, which helped to adjust the key position to make sure it can be fixed flatly. Some customers may be confused why it is 8 spaces. That is because the door lock are with 8 wafers. Position 1 and 2 are not used in the door lock. It is button start or stop, no ignition lock. We can cut 8 spaces to open the door, but we need to be very careful when we cut key with this data. Firstly, make sure the key is fixed flatly. Secondly, make sure the key blade length is same with the original keys. If it is not same or have big difference on the length, the key we cut may not open the door. We prefer to use the first data to cut it. Now we will show you how to cut it with assistant clamp. Step 1. Fix the original key to decode it. Firstly, rotate the clamp to S1 D. Put the assistant clamp to S1 side D. Secondly, fix the original key. Please use the stopper to hold the key shoulder when fix original key. Thirdly, lock the key jaw, and take out the stopper. Step 2. Decode original key to get bitting numbers. Click Decode button. In decoding page, there is a rounding button. We always keep it ON if original key is not worn or worn less. If the original key worn too much, we always keep it OFF. For Mazda key, we barely met it wears, so we suggest to keep it ON. Then click Decode to continue. Decoding finished. Take out the original key, and check the bitting numbers that machine decoded are correct or not. Step 3. Fix a new key blade to start cutting. If it decodes correctly, PLS fix the new key blade with a stopper to hold the shoulder. Lock the key jaw after you make sure it is fixed flatly. Step 4. Cutting. Then click Cut button. Use 2.0 mm cutter on alpha machine. If the cutter is correct, click Cut again to continue. Make sure the shield is closed during cutting. Step 5. Check if the copy key works or not. Cutting finished, the new key is working very well. Tips: if one side can open and other side is very tight, it may be because the key did not fix flatly, or the original keys or key blade is not flat. The assistance clamp can greatly help us to cut the key successfully, but not 100% success.